Roger, where do we possibly begin? Quite simply, we have been so fortunate to witness your journey. Who could forget the bright-eyed 16-year-old serving notice of the era to come?
We'll be seeing him again.
Or when the baton changed hands. Or the moment your dream came true.
It's just incredible. I don't know how I did it.
Again. And again. And again. And again. What about the victory that rewrote history? And the triumph that matched the greats? Or the day you went beyond any man that had come before? And yet it wasn't just what you won, but the way you did it. Countless works of grass-court art. Making the extraordinary look effortless. With a minimum of fuss. You fired the starting gun on the golden era, making others reach the standards you'd set. But it was your fans to whom you meant the most, coming from all corners of the globe to see their childhood hero, their inspiration, their idol. They lived and breathed every high and every low, and wouldn't have changed it for the world. Like them, we will so miss the sight of you gracing our courts and treasure the memories you created. But all we can really say is, the game wouldn't have been the same without you.